Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here with more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette information. Now, before we get started, I want you to take a look at this. We're just starting this today, brand new. Take a look. Hey guys, we got a new car that's up for the sweepstakes this week. This sweepstakes ends December 22nd. Drawing is on December 28th of 2024. But look at this car. This is a 2024 Z06 convertible with the Z07 performance package, plus $25,000 for taxes and whatnot. Now, when you buy sweepstakes entries through us, if you buy $25 worth of tickets, you get 18 tickets plus 9 promos. If you buy $50 worth of tickets, you get 40 tickets plus 20 extra. So it's an extra 50% entries anytime you go through our site. This is benefiting the Auburn Duesenberg Automobile Museum, which is a fantastic place. All you have to do is click on whatever dollar amount you want, and there's our code right there. And just fill out your information and it'll get you all handled. Good luck, guys. If you win it, I sure hope you give me a ride. Okay guys, we're going to start today with a trivia question. I know I haven't done one for the last couple of weeks because we've been just trying to get through some of these shoots during our busy schedule here, but I've got a little bit of time today and it actually leads into what our video is about. So here it is. In what year of Corvette production did every car produced have every available option? Only happened one time. Again, in what year of production did every car produced have every available option on it? Put your comments below, and you know, if you had today's featured product, you'd already have the answer. It's the Corvette Black Book. Now, this is something that we use every day here at the shop. As a matter of fact, this is the brand new one that just came out. We're going to talk about that in a minute. 70th Anniversary Legacy Edition. This is my current copy. Now, this is from 2021. Pages are falling out of it. If you look at the side, you can see how filthy that is. I literally, this is in the top drawer of my desk at my right hand. I am in this book no less than 25 or 35 times a day, every day. That's why this is so worn. It is the absolute best resource for Corvette knowledge that exists on this planet. I have used these for years and years and years. Mike Antoniuk is the author who's put these together for many, many years. And he has just put together his most comprehensive and may very well be the last or next to last one he ever does for the 70-year Legacy Edition. And it's got this really cool picture of the red C8 Z06 on it. What you'll find in this book is each year, like here's 1960, there's 2 pages dedicated to each and every year of production with all of the block numbers, cylinder head numbers, all that, information for the older cars, even through the newer cars, all the options, how many of those options were made, what colors were offered, how many of those colors were made, and specifically small changes that were made to models mid-year or that were an upgrade from the year before that maybe not publicly known really well. Certain changes to the Z06 and C5 and C6 between the years that you may not know about in the general knowledge world. This book is absolutely essential if you are a Corvette owner. If you are interested in these videos, if you're just getting into the Corvette hobby, or if you have been a Corvette fan for many, many years, this is still the best resource for knowledge on any conceivable Corvette. I could go on for hours about how much detail is in this book regarding every single Corvette pretty much ever made. It is what I call my Bible, because I'm in it every day. We are offering this, we got a special deal from Mike. We are offering this book to you guys for $25.38 delivered to your door anywhere in the United States. Now, just so you understand, that's about $4.5 cheaper than even Amazon is selling them, because Mike cut us a special deal because, we are who we are and people like you know who we are, so thank you for that. And we're passing this along. I'm basically doing this at a reduced rate because I feel it is so important that you guys have this information. It is the #1 tool that you can have to make Corvette ownership more interesting, more exciting. What's also cool is it fits in your glove box, or it fits nicely next to the throne in the bathroom, which is where you can really get into reading this, which if you're a guy, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so I'm offering this book $25, 38 cents, shipped to your door anywhere in the United States. Link in the information below. I'm also offering it in a bundle with our Corvette all 8 generations t-shirts, as pictured here, with the book, with a beautiful matte C&S Corvettes window sticker for $55.25 delivered anywhere in the United States. It's kind of, I call it the Corvette starter pack. Oh, you want a C&S t-shirt and some really good knowledge and a sticker? There you go. It's the entire thing you need to get started with. Again, I know I sound like a broken record, guys, but if you want to know where I get some of the knowledge that I've got, where you can find interesting things out about just about any Corvette ever made, right here. This is absolutely the way to go. If you have questions about this, if you are out of the country and want one, obviously it's hard to order internationally on our website because Shopify's terrible with that. Comment below and I'll write you, or you can just email me and I'll happily get you a copy overseas. Now granted, it won't be free shipping, but I'll do it for whatever dead shipping cost is. I won't mark it up. So guys, this is the resource and I highly recommend you buy one. And I hope you buy it for me because I'm offering a really good price, but if not, you still should get one because they're awesome. Now, to answer the trivia question, which you would have found in the black book here, trivia question was, what year Corvette did all of the production cars come with every available option? That happened once and once only, and that was in 1953, where they produced 300 Corvettes. They were all the same color outside, polo white, and there were only 2 available options, an AM radio and a heater, and every one of those 300 came with those 2 options. So if you guessed that right, congratulations. If not, that and a whole lot of other things that are interesting are in here. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. I'll talk to you soon.